Alright, so this is my first time using this new GoPro Media mod. So this way my headset can actually connect to the GoPro for once, so I don't have to pull up audio from liveatc.net. Hopefully this is working. If it's not, I'll find out the hard way. And Oblak Tower, Cessna 5198 Echo, short of 9 right for close traffic.
Number 5198 Echo, Block Tower, stand by.
Standing by 98 Echo. Alright, yeah, this is taking forever, so we might just do 3.
Number 98 Echo, make right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, clear for takeoff, 9 right, Cessna 5198 Echo.
Number 472.
Alright, let's do this.
Join in the pattern prior to arrival, runway 9 right, clear for the option.
Got our lights on.
Stanley's 999,
Runway 9 right is confirmed.
We are
Clear right, center left.
Stanley's 999, turn left at the end, remain this frequency, taxi via Tango 8, park, good night.
Okay, left turn, Tango 8, park with you, Jelly's 999. Good night.
Get center line, it's going to be a slight crosswind barely from the left. Winds are 080. There's center line, let's get going. Get our throttle up, advance to full power. Engine's looking good, airspeed's alive. There's 55, rotate. Let's get a climb speed of 73 knots. And we're going up to 1,000 feet for pattern altitude. That's 500 feet. I'm gonna start that crosswind turn now. And look how beautiful Miami is from the air. Gotta love it. Start that base turn now also. Gotta be careful of the boundary between Opa-locka's Delta and Miami's Bravo airspace. Alright, there's 1,000 feet we can level off. Gonna maintain no more than 90 knots on the downwind. Quick 4-lane checklist, landing lights on, autopilot, we don't have that. Seatbelts are on, mixture is best power, carb heat, we'll get that on when we pull out power, fuel's on both, and we'll use flaps as required. That is before line check is complete. Hopefully we get a landing clearance soon. Tower 98 Echo is requesting the landing on 9 right.
Number 98 Echo, runway 9 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 9 right, Cessna 5198 Echo. Alright, a little late, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and pull out some power. 1500 RPM. Go carb heat below 110 knots. Go flaps 10 degrees. Maintain 80 knots for this part of the descent. Alright, let's start that base turn. Alright, maintain 70 knots on the base. And below 85 knots, we'll go flaps 20. Looks like final's clear and runway's clear. That other traffic we had is clear of the runway. Start that turn to final. Looks like we might be a little low. That's fine, we'll add in some power. Let's not get too slow here. We're on 65 knots for the final.
All below the tower, number 20472, mainfield 9 right.
Air 472 following the Cessna on a mile final, number 2, runway 9 right.
A little bit left of center line, let's fix that.
Following the Cessna, number 2, 9 right, here for the altitude, 20472.
Air 472, don't take it out too far. Miami has a Gulfstream inbound, the 11 mile straight into runway 12.
Alright, below 85 knots, we can go flaps 30. This plane does go up to 40 degrees of flaps, but that's a bit excessive. We're not going to need that. Alright, a little bit high on the glide path. Glide slope's looking alright, airspeed's looking good, aircraft is configured for landing. We'll continue.
Alright, there's 2 aircraft calling the piers. One is on clearance delivery and one's on ground control. Aircraft on clearance delivery combined on ground control.
Someone didn't listen to ATIS. Alright, there's the numbers. Pull out our power.
Okay, that's 6 Lima Charlie, that's not a clearance delivery time, that's a clearance void time. That's for when the tower closes at 03 Zulu.
Oh yeah, that's some butter right there.
Thank you.
That's what I like. Let's try to make hotel. Oh yeah, we'll make it. Don't worry about that creaking. That's
I'm sorry, who's that?
Alright, first landing of the day. It was smooth as butter.
Number 9 Echo, make right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
Make right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff, Cessna 5198 Echo. Alright.
Number 98 Echo, make right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff, Cessna 5198 Echo.
Number 472 Cessna,
Right.
departing
I don't know what that was, I guess they just didn't hear me.
9 right, clear for the option.
It's approved, looking for the Cessna, clear for the altitude, 20472.
There's 9 right. Everything's looking good. Let's go full power. Smoothly advance to full power. Airspeed's alive, engine's good. And 55, rotate. Get that climb rate of 73 knots. And make sure we're staying on that runway center line. Alright, let's start that right crosswind turn. Another beautiful view of Miami-Dade County.
On ground, semi.
Start the right downwind. And there's 1,000 feet. We can level off here.
Duration Alpha current open lock altimeter 3002, wind 0807.
Tower Phenom 996.
Alright, 4-lane checklist, landing lights on, autopilot's off,
Tango
we have seatbelts on, mixtures on best power, Carp will pull out when we pull power,
Phenom 996, limit Charlie open lock
Carp
standby, clearing out the
fuel's on both, and flaps as required.
Standing by.
4-lane check's complete.
6 Lima Charlie.
Number 98 Echo, continue downwind. I'll call your base for departure up 1.
Alright, we'll continue the downwind, you'll call the base Cessna 5198 Echo. Alright, we'll just fly this way until tower tells us that we are clear to turn base. That's what that means.
Number 98 Echo, turn your base 1 departure off runway 12 prior to arrival, runway 9 right, clear for the option.
Alright, we'll start our right base, stay clear for the option 9 right, Cessna 5198 Echo.
Number 6 Lima Charlie, fly heading 090, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Alright, start base now.
2000, clear for takeoff.
Number 98 Echo, I'm not sure if you're transmitting, but I'm not getting acknowledgments. Departure prior to arrival off of runway 12, runway 9 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 9 right, and we're in that right base 5198 Echo. I'll make sure my connections are good here. Alright, well, might be having a little bit of radio problems here, but that's fine. Alright, pull out power. Get our carb heat out. Go 10 degrees of flaps. Yeah, what it sounds like is I gotta really push this transmit button hard in order for tower to hear me, so keep that in mind. Alright, got that traffic that's taken off of runway 12 in front of us.
Number 6 Lima Charlie, 090 heading, contact Miami
He's
departure.
clear.
Have a great flight.
Alright, go ahead, we're below 85 knots, we can give ourselves 20 degrees of flaps. Alright, we're at 65 knots, we'll hold that. And I'll give us flaps 30. A little high on the glide slope, we'll get down easily. Airspeed's looking good, configuration's looking good, we can continue. Alright, getting a little slow, let's fix that.
Opalico Tower, November 8600, channel ready for departure.
Number 8690 Charlie, open lock tower. Good evening, standby, waiting for traffic to clear in the south paddock.
Okay, standby, Charlie.
Number 472, turn base.
Alright, that was a little hard, a little bit sideloaded probably, but any landing you can walk away from is a good landing. That's what they say. Make the left turn here at Golf.
Number 98 Echo, runway 9 right, taxi Yankee.
9 right via Yankee, 5198 Echo. And there's that other Cessna traffic landing. We'll just get our lights on
Number
once we get the
98 Echo,
clearance.
follow the upwind traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff, make right close traffic.
Alright, we'll follow that upwind traffic for the right close traffic, clear for takeoff, runway 9 right, Cessna 5198 Echo. Alright, let's get the landing strobes on. Clear to the right, clear straight ahead, clear to the left, following that traffic. And 9 left is confirmed over here. There's center line. Well, almost. There's center line. We'll smoothly advance to full power. Third time's a charm. Airspeed is alive. Engine's looking good. And 55, rotate. Traffic ahead of us is in the crosswind. Let's keep that center line and get that 73 knot climb.
Air 472, runway 9 right, clear line.
Alright, let's get the crosswind turn. And there's 1,000 feet. We'll level off here. Looks like that traffic ahead of us is turning on their base. So I'll expect to not get my landing clearance until a bit later on this downwind.
Number 9 Echo, traffic short finals of full stop. Number 2, runway 9 right, clear for the option.
9 right, clear for the option. Number 2, Cessna 5198 Echo. I don't know if you heard that. That cut out heavily. Alright, well. Looks like we flew the same distance on this downwind as we did on the last one. Get our carpeed out, go flaps 10. Alright, that other traffic is clear the runway, so it looks like we are alone in this pattern now. Cool. Whole traffic pattern all to ourselves. Alright, go ahead, give ourselves flaps 30. Let's pull some power here, we are a bit high. There we go, that looks better. Beautiful. Alright, it's gonna be tight, but looks like we'll make hotel. Alright, we'll taxi off, do our after landing checklist, and we'll go up for a 4th and final go. Alright, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, it's probably out of view, but there's a bug on my windshield again. Bro's coming for a wild ride. Tower Cessna 5198 Echo, short of 9 right, ready.
Number 98 Echo, make right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff, Cessna 5198 Echo. Air lights on. Finals clear, clear straight ahead, clear to the left. Alrighty, there's center line. 4th and final takeoff of the night. Let's do it. We'll advance to full power. Airspeed's alive. Engine's looking good. Five, rotate. 500, let's start that crosswind turn.
Ramp 50, tower, thank you.
And let's turn downwind. You can sort of see Miami International off to the south there. Alright, here's 1,000 feet. We'll level off. Should get our landing clearance any second now.
Number 9A, Echo, runway 9 right, clear for the option.
What timing? Clear for the option, 9 right, Cessna 519 Echo. Man, radio keeps cutting in and out. Alright, we don't have to fly a super long pattern this time, so that's nice. There's the numbers. Pull out our power. About 1500 RPM, get our carb on, below 110 knots, get flaps 10. Like to maintain 80 knots for this part of the descent. Let's go ahead, start that base turn. Let's try to maintain 70 on this leg. Below 85 knots, we can go flaps to 20. And final looks clear, runway looks clear. And final. Alright, maintain 65 here. And we can go flaps to 30. Class up's good, speed's good, configuration's good. We're landing this thing. Nice. Probably not going to make hotel this time, but let's go to golf.
Number 9A, okay, you done?
90 Echo, yeah, we're done. We're going to be taxiing back to spot 2. Just give us 1 second. Tower Cessna 5198 Echo, clear of 9 right at golf for spot 2.
Number 98 Echo, cross runway 12 at Golf, taxi via Golf Echo Papa.
Alright, spot 2 via Golf Echo Papa, and we'll cross 12 at Golf, Cessna 5198 Echo. Alright, let's pull up the old taxi chart here. Let's get moving. Get my window open too, let some air in here. Alright, since even though he went flying for like an hour and a half, I'm still gonna get this plane topped off, so I'm gonna call Signatures radio. I believe it's 2985. Hey, good evening, Signature. It's November 5198 Echo with Skydeal requesting avgas stop off.
Bravo 9 Echo.
Thank you. Alright, well I hope you all enjoyed this video. This was a really fun one to make. First time being able to fly while making live commentary. Well, hopefully, as long as everything got picked up. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to get this airplane parked, pushed back. And I'm getting some nice hot chocolate from the FBO. It's my favorite part of night flying. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Please show your support by hitting that like button and that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. See ya.